Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making Soya Pepper Fry. Ingredients list in description. Dry roast 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 1 teaspoon jeera, fennel seed 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds a half teaspoon. Dry roast in a pan until fragrant. As soon as they are aromatic, transfer them immediately to a cold plate. Let the spices cool completely to room temperature before grinding. Grinding warm spices can create steam, making your powder damp. Grind them into a coarse powder. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon turmeric powder to water. Add 1 cup approx 100 grams dry soya chunks. Boil for 4 to 5 minutes. They should double in size and become soft and spongy. Immediately drain the hot water and rinse the chunks under cold running water. Take a handful of chunks and squeeze them tightly between your palms to remove as much water as possible. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Adding 1 tablespoon oil to ghee to avoid burning. 1 to 2 whole red chili. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. When they splutter, add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger. Add a sprig, about 10 to 12 curry leaves. About a half teaspoon asafoetida, hing. Saute on a low-medium flame for 1 minute. Make sure not to burn the garlic and ginger. Now add 2 medium onions finely chopped or thinly sliced. 2 to 3 green chili chopped. Saute until onions turn golden brown. Stick to medium-low, keep stirring so the edges don't burn. Once the onions done, add a half teaspoon turmeric powder, a half teaspoon red chili powder. Add 2 teaspoon your freshly ground pepper masala. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. The kitchen should smell warm, spicy, and earthy. Add 1 to 2 sliced tomatoes. Salt to taste. Cook them on medium heat until they become soft and mushy. Using too many tomatoes will make the dish soggy. Add the squeezed soya chunks. Toss the chunks for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high. This ensures the soya gets coated in the flavorful onion tomato base. If the pan feels too dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Cover for 2 to 3 minutes briefly to make the soya juicy and flavorful. If you keep the lid on too long, the dish will stay soggy and boiled. Add some fresh coriander chopped. Saute on medium-high to make the exterior crispy and aromatic. Soya pepper fry is perfectly done when you see soya chunks transform from a pale tan to a deep, dark chocolate brown. Always serve it piping hot with rice or parota. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more recipe.